Hey guys, what's up? Dan here, and today I'm gonna be giving you guys an update on meteorology. Basically, what's going on is that there's probably gonna be a winter storm on Tuesday that's going to impact areas of the Northeast, and this is looking like it could be some pretty heavy wet snow, and it could be anywhere from 3 to 6 inches to 6 to 12 inches, and the more hillier areas and stuff, right? But let's take a look at the GFS model here, and as you could tell, it kind of shows that it kind of starts off as rain with the low pressure kind of hugging the coast with some warm air, and then on the back side of it, there's a shit ton of cold air that comes in, and then the precipitation basically is heavy wet snow because, as you could tell, there's some rain pockets here. Obviously, when lighter precipitation falls, it's gonna be rain. This is also during the day, right? Think about it's February, so again, there could be, if the snow is falling quickly, then it's not going to melt on the asphalt because the sun angle is very high in the sky, right? And yeah, so let's take a look at the NAM 12 km here, and here you could see what the NAM shows with it, and it basically shows again, it much further south than the GFS model, right? But again, producing, a solid amount of snowfall here on Tuesday morning. It's looking like it's not even it's gonna kind of be fast moving here, and it's showing like a generalized, 3 to 6 inch snowfall throughout this area, right? And I think that that's pretty much going to be, the main thing is that 3 to 6 inches of snow. So let's take a look at the RGEM here. I think it also let's see, let's go back here, and basically it shows the system, yeah, a little bit suppressed to the south, but then obviously it shows that it turns into snow for their Bergen County, NYC, Long Island, Central New Jersey on the back side. So look, it's looking like it could start off as a little drizzle around North Jersey, and then it'll just turn to heavy snow right after. And so yeah, that's the RGEM model for you guys. And then let's take a look at the CMC model and what it's showing, and it's actually showing very similar things to the RGEM here, right? Basically the same thing, right? A little pocket of snow there. Very interesting how all of the models differ, and the Icon model is absolutely insane. It's showing the storm system all the way up here, right, with a bunch of heavy snow over here. So you know what I mean? Like, that's actually very interesting how it shows that. Now, the European model, this is the 12Z, right? And if we go back here to the storm, it's looking like it's showing something similar to the GFS, maybe a little bit further north, right? Let me see if I could go to any of my bookmarks here. Give me one sec. There's like a meteorology website where you can see where the precipitation line is, but here, as you can tell, the European, yeah, probably it's gonna. No, that's the GFS. Hold on, let's go to the European, right? It's a little bit further north. So here, as you can tell, the rain snow line is probably somewhere in between this red and blue line. And so as we go through the model, looking on the back side, right, the European model is showing that it's probably going to be snow here in the Northeast, and it starts off as rain. So again, the NAM, we take a look at what it's showing for 12Z, and it's showing that it's going to be all snow. But yeah, obviously there's still some model variance here, but I do think that North Jersey is going to get 3 to 6 inches of snow. So is central Pennsylvania, and like central portion of New York is in question right now, and then Connecticut and all these areas. So if we take a look at the again snowfall real quick, you know this, I think that the NAM 12 km illustrates a pretty good illustration of how much snow is going to fall. The GFS model a little bit heavier on the totals. If we take a look at the total positive snow depth change, more realistic, right? Looking like a 3 to 6 inch snowfall. The temperatures are going to be probably near freezing, right? And GFS is showing a little bit warmer air, and the main band is over here. So now it kind of depends, like, is it going to be there in central New York, Massachusetts, and northern Pennsylvania, the bulk of the snow, or is that line going to be a little bit lower towards the central portion of Pennsylvania through North Jersey, like a little bit lower here in central Jersey and Long Island, you know what I mean? So that there's definitely going to be a little bit of fluctuation between where exactly that band is going, those heavy snow bands are going to set up. But Yeah, EC fast. Let me see this. So then here, kind of see, okay, Tuesday, it's showing this system absolutely hugging the coast, right? And yeah, it's looking like it could be a mix of precipitation over there. There's no 2 meter temperature here. That's just that. Very interesting stuff going on here. Now the European model, it can be very, very accurate sometimes, so you know, we could actually take a look at it. Give me 1 second, guys. Let me see if I could pull up a new tab for y'all, so then y'all could see the European model. I think it might be on weather.us actually. Yeah, I would think I'm gonna switch tabs real quick and show you guys what exactly is gonna go down. So give me 1 sec, accept, and then let's see. If this stuff is gonna work out here, ECMWF IFS. Let's see. You know, bring it down a little bit. Okay, it's showing that we could see. Yeah. Hold on, I'm about to switch the tabs right now. So we got to see at Tuesday at 8 a.m. what exactly is going on here, right? Zoom in to around North Jersey, and it's looking like the freezing line is about in North Jersey there. It's looking like that could be rain. Significant weather. And okay. So I just pulled up the European model real quick, and that's basically a depiction of what that's showing real quick. So let me switch the window capture, and boom. So now you guys could see where the rain and snow line is according to European models. So it's showing that. Let's see. Let's go back a little bit, and it's showing that it starts off as rain. It really does. It really just starts off as all rain. Wow, and that's actually a lot of rain that the European model is showing. And then it eventually transitions to snow, but it kind of stays as, you know, the freezing line is around North Jersey, and then the backside of it, there's like a, you know, kind of burst of heavy snow, right, that lasts for about 4 to 6 hours, and then, you know, that kind of moves out. And so you take a look at the temperature here, right, throughout all of this time, right, and as you can see, the freezing line does come down to around North Jersey in the morning, right. The temperatures kind of do stay, let's see how warm they are during the nighttime there in North Jersey. And wow, so the temperatures are very warm. 11 p.m. starts off very warm, and then it kind of gets a little colder over time. Yeah, so that's the European model for y'all. And so let's see. I definitely do think that North Jersey could potentially get North Jersey could potentially get either 1 to 3 inches of snow or 3 to 6 inches of snow. So we got to kind of watch out for that band and stuff. You know what I mean? So let me So this is the thing. I'm gonna give y'all an update on exactly what's gonna go on right in the future. But let's see. So let's take a look at the bigger prognosis here on what's gonna go down. And so again, whatever, we have this winter storm that comes through and stuff, and you know the temperature specifics are not yet 100% set in stone. It really just depends on a lot of different factors, right? And so you come through, right? There's going to be systems that are coming through just like that one that's going to come through on Tuesday, right? And this one, this was a major winter storm I was talking about before, guys. And as you can tell, the current GFS model, this is February 18th. This is 8 days out right now. It's not showing the current GFS model is not showing these this combining with that. You know what I mean? There's two systems that are not combining at all. And if they combine, then that's going to create a bomb cyclone, right? And that's the main thing, is that they kind of combine over here, and they don't properly combine, right? So then it's not a bomb cyclone. And then as we go through, there's going to be a shit ton of storm systems, so a shit ton of chances of snow throughout February. And obviously we've been missing out on a lot of snow. So yeah, and here the GFS shows it as a coast hugger, and the NAM model, it shows this system as it's more of like suppressed, right, to the south, so it's not hugging the coast. There's less warm air, and there's snow all the way down to South Jersey, right? And if we take a look at the previous model run with this, right, it's looking like the NAM, the latest model, did come out a little bit warmer than what it was before. But again, hopefully the storm system could possibly be suppressed. There's a lot of miscommunication with the models. We're only 3 days out, pretty much, or less than 3 days, I think, and we just, I guess, need some time to kind of get into the specifics here. But yeah, again, RGEM is the same thing as the NAM, right? Pretty much showing the system suppressed, but a lot more warm air. It's a very difficult system to kind of, it just depends on where the whole cold front sets up. It really depends on where the cold front sets up. It depends on whether the storm is more well defined in the center, right, or spread out more, right? So these are the main factors that are going into the question right now on what's exactly going to go on. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys have a great day. And let me just show you real quick the GFS model here, because I didn't even have it on the screen before. Hold on. The two systems I was talking about combining, right? So here we're gonna have more potential for another winter storm right here, and then this is February 18th. Be on the lookout. And then this is the thing, is that we need this system and that system to combine a little bit closer to the northeast, and that would be a bomb cyclone. That would be very high winds, very gusty winds, because it's a shit ton of warm air combining with very, very cold air. So we kind of need that to happen, right? So that was the shit that I was mentioning. And then as you could tell, there's a shit ton of other systems that come through. So just real quick, because I didn't have that up on screen before, I just wanted to kind of show that to y'all. So I hope you guys have a great day, and peace out.